Hello, welcome to Mary's Menagerie. This is my first crafting video on YouTube. I hope you enjoy it. Today, I'm going to start with personalizing a woodblock. I purchased several woodblocks from Dollar Tree for $1.25. I removed the sticker off the back, and you're going to see the steps that I took. I'm starting with sanding. I kind of sanded everything down to just kind of make it smooth. This is the paint I'm going to use, Waverly Snow White Craft Paint. I'm going to use it to cover up the lettering that's already on the block and to paint all the sides. I purchased several of these wood blocks. I have several members of my family that I was going to personalize these and give them to them as a Christmas present. And since this is afterwards, I can let you know that they did really enjoy them. After I painted the woodblock, I decided to just sand the edges just because a little bit of paint, there's a couple double layers on there and I wanted to get some of that paint off. So I decided to sand it a little bit more. Here you can see I used my Cricut and I put the names of some of my family members on here, and I made the designs that already existed on Cricut. I combined them together, the seashells and the heart. Those have significant meaning for the family members. I'm going to put some Mod Podge over it to protect the vinyl that's on there. I'm going to be finishing up with the Mod Podge here, and unfortunately I sent these off, wrapped them and sent them off as a Christmas present, and I forgot to take a final picture. So hopefully when I finish this video I will have a picture. I'll ask Mike to take a picture of it and so I can add it into my video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. And here is the picture of the finished woodblock. Now I'm going to be transforming some hardback book spines. I purchased 3 hardback books from Dollar Tree. They cost $1.25 a piece. I took off the paper book jackets and I made sure they had good colors of the hardback books. I got 2 black ones and 1 white one, and I taped off the spine, and here you can see me using my Waverly chalk paint to paint the spine white. There's the white book, and then the 2 black books, and I painted everything white to cover up the titles of the books. And then at Dollar Tree, they have rub-on transfers, and this is what I'm going to use to put on the spines of the books. I was looking for 3 different ones, and I'm going to start with the one on the right. I'm just going to cut the rub-on transfer that I like, and I'm going to peel I'm going to make sure it looks good first, and then I'm going to peel that white backing off and place the rub-on transfer where I want it to go. And this is the first time I've ever done this, so I first started with my little Cricut item. It's not a Cricut brand, it's from Hobby Lobby, but I was using my little vinyl rubber, whatever it's called, and when you rub, it should change colors. The colors should get lighter, and it just I think maybe that was what I tried. And see, I tried to lift it off, and I see that I did not get it all rubbed off, but I had already moved it. And so this was my first time, and I kind of messed up right there on the left. So I'm just learning, and sometimes you make mistakes, and so I shouldn't have taken off the paper or the plastic yet. I should have put it back down and rubbed it again. It's a little bit short, and so I decided to cut another design and put it the other direction, and I'm trying to use the little, I can't remember what that's called, to rub it on, and I think I had better luck this time. Yes, I got it on there. And then I decided to cut another one of those and put it at the top or on the other end to kind of fill in that white space. And so I was also doing that to hope you wouldn't notice the mess up on the left part of the part down the middle. So I learned my lesson there. That was my first time to try it and my first time to mess up. And I'm sure it won't be my last. Now I'm going to protect it with some Mod Podge. So I'm going to just dab some on there and let it dry, and that way it will for sure not come off. Okay, so I'm finished with the Mod Podge, and then I took a paper towel and I just kind of wiped off anything that got past the white. Here's my second one. So now I'm going to find another design that I like, and I just picked the next one in the row, and this one actually is going to take up more space. So I'm going to take that paper off, I'm going to stick that where it goes, and then I'm going to try to rub it again. And I actually had a lot of trouble with this one. I could not get that color to change. So then I started using my fingernail, and we'll just see what happens here. I think I'd actually got it to change colors. So I think this might work out okay. Peel it off, and it looks perfect. Added some Mod Podge, and then I take my paper towel and I wipe off the edges again to make sure I don't have it kind of glopping over the edge of that white. There I go. Alright, so the next one is my white book that I painted white. And so I'm looking for, I guess I'm going to use the little fishy ones. They look like fishes, but they're not. And I have it off the camera, sorry about that. And I'm going to put that on there. And I had lots of trouble with this one. So again, I was just learning, trying to find the best way to do these rub-on transfers. And I think I tried everything on this one, and I came up with a third way on this one that worked great. So, but until I get to that point, I tried the little vinyl rubber or rub-on transfer. Oh, I don't know what it's called. I tried my fingernail, it didn't work either. Now I'm using the end of my paintbrush, and it worked awesome. So from now on, if I have any trouble, I'm going to go straight to that paintbrush. Perfect. And now I'm going to add the Mod Podge and let that dry. And I think I actually have to wipe it down twice on both sides on this one. And then when I'm done with these, I can stack them and they'll look good. Maybe put some other types of decor on top of it. And cheap, nice books, but for a cheap price. And I can make it match my decor. You can probably tell that I use a lot of black and white. My final result, there are my 3 books, and I just added a little paper box from Hobby Lobby, just to show what you can do. Probably adding a plant or something would be nice. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching Mary's Menagerie, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed my first video. I plan to have many more.